The motorcycle speedometer is completely broken and cannot be repaired. We purchased a cheap digital LED speedometer that is powered via a USB port and works using a GPS signal. We removed the speedometer from the motorcycle and will disassemble it completely. We placed the new speedometer onto the old instrument panel and marked the line we need to cut in order to mount it. Using a vibrating sander, we cut out the space for installing the speedometer. Now we insert the LED speedometer into the cutout area, after which we apply black hot glue around the edges. After that, we smooth the glue using hot air. We cover parts of the old speedometer's circuit board with duct tape because the old one had a circular shape and the new one is elliptical. For power, we prepared a 12-volt USB car adapter, since our new speedometer is powered via a USB-C port, and we modified that adapter for our needs. We will connect it to the ignition switch. It's time for the first test. The speedometer works. Now we will reassemble the entire unit in reverse order. Check everything once more, and then mount it on the motorcycle. Despite its low price, the new LED speedometer works well. It needs a little time after being switched on to connect to the GPS signal, but after that, it is very accurate. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Best regards.